Okay beta, good morning. দিব্যজ্যোতি তিওয়ারি, প্রত্যুষ্ণা দত্ত, ঋথজিৎ, সমৃদ্ধ মণ্ডল, সপ্তর্ষি মালিক, শ্রেষ্ঠা ঘোষ. Those who are Samriddha Mondal, not mute your microphone. Okay. And Snigdha Ghosh, Suzanne Parvin, Upasya Dolui. Okay. So today I will teach you the Carly locks. Okay. The textbooks. Carly locks. Page number. Firoz, beta please, front camera please, mute your microphone, and also yes Pratushna, it's very good work. You have muted the Firoz, and also Pratushna, Firoz, off your front camera. One thing I am just telling, whichever chapter I am just teaching here, only you will read this chapter, not another chapter. Okay. So nobody, Mr. Nobody, now no need to read. Okay, Mr. Nobody, now no need to read. You can read Carly locks and the three bears. And the three bears. Page number 96. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Hair. So locks means hair. Okay. Her name was Carly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. Is anybody there? Sometimes if we are asking question like this, they are also asking. If anybody is in, she asked. There is nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Sometime that Papa bear, Mama bear, and also baby bear, they are going for walking. So here the bear family lived in the cottage. Cottage means small hut. They had gone for a walk. Carly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa bear. Porridge. Porridge means paesh. Like this, we are also making paesh. That also English we can tell porridge on the table. There is a big bowl for Papa bear, a middle sized bowl for Mama bear, and a tiny little bowl for baby bear. Carly Locks was hungry. She ate the porridge from big bowl. It was very hot because it was a plate for Papa bear. She ate from the middle size of bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Carly Locks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for the Papa bear, a middle sized bed for Mama bear, and a tiny little bed for baby bear. This is a big bed like you. Sometimes your papa, mama and you are sleeping, but they are having 3 separate beds. Papa bear, no, that's bear is very big, and so he was having is very big. Okay, Nihan, porridge means just I am telling then paesh. Okay, so here that Papa bear is a very big. So here that Papa bear is having very big bed, Mama bear little middle sized bed, and baby bear tiny bed. Here, so the big bed was hard because Papa bear was sleeping there. Middle sized bed was too soft, but the tiny little bed was just right because Carly Locks also is like the baby bear is baby, no? Carly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed because she had ate the porridge. So she had taken the porridge, no? So she became sleepy. So she was sleeping in the little bed. The bear family came back. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa bear in in his big gruff voice. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. She was very upset. She was telling that if somebody finished my all porridge. So here Bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in this big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Somebody sleeping in my bed. Actually at that time also Curly Lock was sleeping. Curly Locks woke up. She saw 3 bears. She jumped and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could because she was too much afraid. Can you imagine? Just when you wake up, at that time you can see 3 bears in front of you. So, that tiny bear also, they were telling somebody is sleeping in my bed. And after that Curly Lock is telling, oh, that is some bear. So, it is actually after that they had just, she jumped down and she left. Okay, how is the story? I think story is very nice, no? Okay, so this I think you have understood the story, Pratyushna, and here please 2 meaning I am just writing here. Number 1, locks, L-O-C-K-S, curly locks. Curly means just curl and locks means hair. And cottage. Cottage means just a small hut. And another meaning, porridge, I told porridge means in Bengali paesh. But I think after that, yes, beta, I know that Nihan, that is Goldilocks and 3 bears. So Goldilocks and Curly Locks, Goldilocks means their hair is gold, that color is gold, and curly means hair curled. Okay, yes. And everybody, I think it is loved the story. Shrestha also, Upasha also, okay, everybody. Okay, I think sometime you can, when you are in school, that time you have seen also in our smart class. Okay, so now we will open your copy. I will write the question answer. Okay. Next page, page number 100. Here, 2 make sentences are there. My sister's hair is soft and curly. When I am hungry, I eat a lot. So number 1, then question number 1. Who lived in the cottage? Who lived in the cottage in the forest? Who lived in the cottage in the forest? So here answer is there. 3 bears lived in the cottage in the forest. So number 1, 3 bear, the bear family you can write, no problem for that. Who is here? The Snigdha, you have already written. So if you have written, no problem, you can write by yourself, you can write my question answer also, whatever. No problem for that. Okay, so number 1 question is there. Number 2, question number 2, I am just rubbing here and writing there. Question number 2, what did Curly Locks What did Goldilocks see on the table? Answer number this. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge of only this porridge I cannot write, so 3 bowls of porridge. Please, this time you should learn this question answer very nicely. Bowls of porridge on the table. Question number 3. Answer number 1, just I am rubbing. 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Reza, please write on the copy. Okay. Next. Why did she eat up all the porridge from baby bear's bowl? Why did she ate up all the porridge from baby bear's bowl? So answer number, you know that who has Reza? Again you have Reza, Susan, everybody, I know that. Pratyushna, yes, because this recording will be going, no? So you can write from the recording, no problem. I am writing little bit fast, but you can write slowly, okay? And Reza, no need to send some voice message, okay? Please mute your microphone, write that. Okay, Pratyushna, you are very fast, I know that. Besides that also from recording also you can write. Whose bed, why did she ate up all the porridge from baby bear's bowl? You know that temperature is perfect. So here she ate, answer is here, she ate is the past tense of eat. She ate all the porridge because here I am writing, okay, because it was perfect for her. It was perfect for her. Then last question. Last question was that whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? So answer number 2 I am rubbing. Nihan, please write that answer and please learn also. Number 4, whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? So question number 3 I am just rubbing that. Answer number 3 I am not rubbing. Only question number 3 I am rubbing. This is answer number 3. Goldilocks, where did he sleep? She slept on Tiny Bear's bed. So here Goldilocks fell asleep in the tiny bear's bed. It was also because it was right for her. Because it was right for her. Okay. So this much I have just finished the question answer for the 3-4 questions. Write slowly. If you cannot, you also can write from the recording also. Please write slowly and write perfectly. Question number 4, whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? Goldilocks fell asleep in the tiny bear's bed because it was right for her. Okay, it was right for her. And question number 3 also, why? Because it was perfect for her. Tiny bowl, she ate all the porridges from tiny bowl. It was not too hot, not too cold. It was perfect for her. So these 4 questions. Susan, Goldilocks left to tiny bear's bed because she fell asleep. Yes, but why? The bed was also perfect for her. She did not sleep the Papa Bear's bed, no. She did not sleep also Mama Bear's bed. So another thing also you have to write that because the bed was perfect or bed was right for her. So that's why she had slept in tiny bear's bed. That is also you have to write. Okay. Snigdha, please don't send any voice message. Okay, beta. If you are having any problem, okay. Pratyushna, very good, very nice, and thank you everybody. Okay, have a nice day. Those who are present, please write once again P. Okay.